kilo day. Do you have other plans?
Husbands of the rich aunties going to receive double portion.
Yes, so
see.
You go fear
Premium man.
We go see you later.
be careful.
Can take care of you.
I'm a pade ni ale.
Thank you.
Bye, bros.
Bye.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Kehinde George Nwachukwu. Yep, and I'm happy to have you right here riding with your baby girl. Thank you. Welcome.
To tell you I love you. Deep in my heart, I've been searching for ways to show you my heart.
You can actually tell the excitement.
Peace. Hey.
So filled with joy. Eh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss AKF Corner here. We are in routine camp now. I don't know if you've been there. Redeemed Christian Church of God, we are currently having our congress, and today is day 5, and we are going to receive our own portion of the double portion. If you understand, yes. If you know, you know. I don't know if you've been to camp, but this is like it's been a while. I won't lie to you, and that's why I'm super excited today because I joined on TV. I don't know. Tell me what's your preference, online or physical? I just feel there's something different about physical though. So I'm super excited to be going to camp this morning because I'm ready for the whole session. Morning, afternoon, and midnight. We are attending everything together. If you've not been to camp, you are going to you can ride with us while I just show you some little bit about our beautiful campground. I'm sure you must have heard of it anyway, but if you haven't, follow me. So this is the first entry point into the Redeemed Christian Church of God. This will take you to Shimawa. That's where we have the new auditorium. The second entry point is Moe bus stop. Just a bus stop after the first entry point. From here you can take a bike, and the bike will take you straight to the old auditorium. A lot of people use this access because you can just, especially if you are not driving, you can just take a bike and it will take you straight to the campground, basically. Still on entry point, we're heading straight to Car C. This is the third and major one for car owners. Once you can see the major one. Car C is an entry point that takes you to everywhere. As far as camp is concerned, as soon as you land on the ground, you can get access to, you get linked to every other places. But of course, we are heading to the very first and the major one because we are going to the youth center. I know that there's an entry point at the youth center also, but I can't really say what is going on with it. But this major point it's closer to youth center than going through any other place in camp. Like I said before, once you're on the main campground, you have access to everywhere. However, your time of arrival to those places depends on your entry. We are here.
There are so many exciting places you can visit on a camp. Back then we used to have the
Redeemed University on ground. However, they moved to their permanent site in Ede, Osun State. Well, it's a beautiful place to be in general. I'm unable to visit a lot of places because already we are running late for our event at the youth center. Just thought to show you this estate we are driving by. It's been named after Pa Akindayomi, and Pa Akindayomi is the founder of the Redeemed Christian Church of God just before he handed over to Daddy Adeboye as the general overseer. It's really big and nice. On the road to the youth center, you can see the Dove Media building. It's the official media for RCCG, and looking ahead you can see another entry point. However, it is locked, so we came in from the main gate. Like I said earlier, once you're on campground, you can access every other place. Yeah, this is the youth center. Welcome.
Hey, hi guys, we are here. We are here. I'm going to try as much as possible to carry you guys along on what is happening inside, but you know me, I came to receive double portion. I want you to receive too, but I might not be able to deliver in full the way I want to collect, but I will try. You understand?
I'm gonna try best.
You understand? I'm going to try my best to see.
You will do as much as God will allow
well,
you.
you understand?
My people. Come, see, mommy. Come. Thank you.
I think the first set of conversations I had was around my son not being mine. Anyways, I carried my things so that they will know that Nami Bonham. Yeah, see my beautiful Avel, Kamsi's brother. Yeah, my son had fun because he really came down, was walking, like, yes, and it was beautiful to see. Anyways, during service, I had to back him at some point so that I can enjoy the service.
You end up with the 5 things that you do that are not happy with, and the 5 things you do that are not happy with. You can discuss.
Any blessed person here today. Let the fellow jump up and shout a bigger hallelujah.
first session is a wrap. It was a beautiful time. I apologize I couldn't get more video, but I hope you enjoyed the little I was able to share. Thank you. After a wonderful service at the youth center, we are now on our way to the new auditorium where we'll be having the evening session with our father in the Lord, Pastor Iye Adeboye, and other anointed ministers of God. Can you see? Look at this old village. Is this still a village? It's a city actually. The car park is big. Oh. See space. Yeah. See. Welcome to RCCG camp. For those that haven't been to the redemption camp, it is very important to get to the campground early so that you can secure space. Despite the fact that we got there around, let's say 5, I think, we're still not able to get a very, very good spot, but we're still okay. I'm just saying that getting a seat is another story entirely. Backy. Good spot check, food check. Now we are ready. We are just having conversations while we wait for the program to start. Right, so we are just waiting, and let's say we are winding away time, sure.
things that only the God of heaven can do. May I request that you please stand with me and let's just sing this song in appreciation to the Lord and say, yes, you are the Lord.
was how Pastor E. Adeboye was ushered in. Thank you guys. It's a wrap. I couldn't vlog during the ministration, but see you in my next video. Bye.